let's do a good old-fashioned unboxing. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to today's video. I have some stuff to unbox for you guys. This is some stuff I've gotten in the mail the past few days and I thought, why not? I would sit down and share it all with you guys. I have a box from Influenster. I have the December Try Beauty box in front of me, and I also have the December Sephora, good one. The December Sephora Play box. Thought it would just be kind of fun to go through all of the items in these boxes, just kind of show you guys what I've gotten. And I've never really done a Influenster unboxing before, so I thought that would be kind of cool. I'm really excited about this one because I got a lot of really cool stuff in this box. So with that being said, let's go ahead and dive into these boxes. What should we start with? Let's start with Sephora Play. Now, I recently rejoined Sephora Play. I got my first box last month in November. I tried this out a year ago and I wasn't impressed. One of my items came completely empty. And while, yeah, I know it's only 10 bucks, it just kind of rubbed me the wrong way because in all honesty, you can go to Sephora and get as many samples as you want for free. And that's kind of at the time what everything was. It was all samples. But now I feel like they've stepped up their game a little bit. So if you're not familiar, Sephora Play is $10 a month. You fill out a beauty profile and then they will send you some stuff. And I like that they've been sending it in these recyclable bags now, because I remember before they were kind of sent in something that was like fabric-y and weird from what I can remember. What's also cool about this is that you get 50 beauty insider points every time you get a box. So that's super cool. Let's go ahead and open this up. I have no clue what I've got. So the first item is, yes, this is from Fresh. This is their Sugar Advanced Therapy Sheer Pink Lip Tint. I am a huge, massive fan of the Fresh lip balms. Last winter, it was one of the only things that would help my lips treatment-wise, their advanced lip treatment therapy. And oh, it smells like lemon sugar. I wonder if this one smells the same. Oh, so this is like a tinted one. That's super cute. Let's see what it looks like. Oh, it's like a very light hint of color, if you guys can even see that. Yes, and it smells the same. Look at this. This is like a little mini deluxe size. See what I'm talking about? This is so much better than just getting a bunch of samples. I mean, I know this is a sample, but you know what I mean. It's cute. Love the packaging. It's like the same exact packaging their other lip balms come in. What do we have here? The Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. No sulfates, no silicones, and no parabens. I have been freaking dying to try this. I have heard Tarte talk about this. I've heard Raw Beauty Christy talk about it. I have seen this everywhere. I'm pretty sure that this has been in a BoxyCharm before. And I'm like, oh my God, I want to try it. Ooh, and it smells really good. Yay. And you get a whole ounce in here. Awesome. So far, this is worth 10 bucks. What else do we have here? A Too Faced Primed and Peachy Cooling Matte Skin Perfecting Primer infused with peach and sweet fig cream. All right, so I don't need any kind of mattifying anything right now. Let's see what this is like. Here's a little deluxe sample size. Again, I'm impressed. It smells so good. The Just Peachy line, oh, intoxicating. That Just Peachy Mattes palette smells the exact same. It's like a peach smoothie. It is intoxicatingly incredible. All right, next we have from Wander Beauty. This is their Glotion Lotion Illuminatrice. Must be in a different lane. Oh my God, embarrassing. I have no idea what I just said. It says this is a skincare enriched hydrating lotion that delivers a beautiful sheer champagne gold finish. You can wear under or over makeup. Ooh, that sounds amazing. And it is sealed. Let's take that off. I'm excited for this. Let's just put a little bit on the hand. I actually like a few things from Wander Beauty that just like pooped out onto my hand. So there's what it looks like. Yeah, it just gives you like a nice hint, a sheen. That smells really fresh. Yeah, I don't know if I would put this over my makeup, but I would definitely put it in like as like a primer base or like mix it into my foundation. Moving on, we have a Sephora Cream or Rouge Cream lipstick. This one is in the shade R04 The Red. So this is like another little mini lipstick, Sephora brand. I want to try more from them, you guys. I haven't really tried a lot from Sephora. Yes, I am a sucker for blue toned reds. Absolutely love it. Let's do a swatch. That's just like a true red. I would actually wear this. I love red lipsticks. And again, this is nice because so far in here, I'm getting to try different things that maybe I wouldn't have tried before. All right, and then last but not least, we've got like 6 items this time. This is a Rouge Gel Lip Liner. Let's see what this sample looks like. Oh, cool. It's like a little mini pencil. Shade number 2, Nothing But Nice. Okay, I got a nude shade, which I'm excited about, but I kind of wish they would have gave me a liner that went with that lipstick because it's like from the same thing. That is like buttery smooth, and that shade is right up my freaking alley. That feels amazing. The pigmentation on this. Have you guys ever tried any of Sephora's lip liners? Because damn, that is amazing. And it looks like it comes in like a crap ton of shades. What it shows you here on the inside. All right, well, Sephora Play was a hit. And I did actually like my box from last month too. That is the reason why I ended up trying the Laura Mercier powder, because they sent me a little sample of it. And now I'm freaking hooked. I'm obsessed. Let's save Try Beauty box for the end. I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this Influenster box here. Let's see, so the theme of this is the Slay All Day Vox box. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different items in here. So when I opened this box, I was super excited because I got this. This is a full-size Kaja Beauty. This is one of their blush stamps. They sell these at Sephora right now. This thing is valued at $24. I am so excited. First of all, look at how cute this packaging is. That is adorable, and I love this shade. Oh, okay. So if you guys haven't seen this before, the top pops up, and you've got this really cute little heart-shaped stamp, and then on the bottom, you've got the color. Let's go ahead and see what happens. How cute is that? Look at that. I could have made the stamp better, but that is adorable. I cannot wait to try this. How convenient that little packaging is. Love it. The next item, there's a Tatcha item in this. This is the Gold Spun Lip Balm. Are you joking me? This is like the best stuff so far that I've ever gotten from Influenster. Normally, I don't even share it with you guys. For some reason, I always get sent hair care, and I have all my social media accounts attached to Influenster, and I hardly ever fill out their surveys, you guys, and they just send me stuff, and I think it's awesome because now they finally sent me something good where I feel like sharing it with you guys. So this is the Tatcha Gold Spun Lip Balm. I've never tried anything from Tatcha. It smells really good, and you can actually see there's like gold flecks in there. It smells kind of citrusy. This one is valued at $30. It says it's the Camellia Gold Spun Lip Balm. Rich in camellia oil, our exquisite lip balm harnesses timeless secrets to nourish luxuriously and leave lips supple. Sweet. Can't wait to try that out. We've got a little shampoo and conditioner set from Aveda. I love the way Aveda products smell. It is fantastic. Their Shampure scent, seriously, I love it. I want a diffuser with that scent in it. Let's open it up. This is the Cherry Almond Softening Shampoo, and then you have the Cherry Almond Softening Conditioner. Oh my God. That smells incredible. Cherry almond. Real almond oil has like a cherry scent to it already, but the fact that they put the cherry almond scent in here, that smells freaking amazing. I want a perfume that smells like this. So I've got a 1.4 ounce of the conditioner and a 1.7 ounce kind of like deluxe travel size of the shampoo and conditioner. And it looks like that is valued at they're $9 each. I'll try those too. Last but not least, what do we have in here? BioEffect EGF Serum. This is a cellular age-defying serum. They're giving me all these seals and my nails are so weak. Let's see, it says this will significantly reduce the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines, renews, revives, and restores your skin as it moisturizes, maximizes radiance and tone, increases skin thickness, suitable for all skin types, contains only 7 ingredients. This is fragrance, alcohol, oil-free, hypoallergenic, cruelty-free, and has no preservatives or additives. Yeah, I cannot wait to try this. Look at that little sample. That is so cute. It's like in an actual glass bottle with a dropper. There's no added fragrance, but I'm wondering if it has a scent. Nope, it doesn't smell like anything. I will definitely be trying this out. I've been trying to clean up my skincare. The first ingredient in here is glycerin, water, sodium hyaluronate, which is a hyaluronic acid, sodium chloride, a seed extract, tromethamine, I don't know what that is, and then the EGF, which is a barley oligopeptide, something or other. This is made in Ireland. I am so excited to try that. So, you guys, I got a really good Influencer box this month, and I am really happy about it. The sample alone of that serum, by the way, is valued at $32. If you buy the full-size product, it's $160. Are you freaking joking me? It better repair my wrinkles. All right, last but not least, let's open up the Try Beauty box. So this month there is a ton of product in this box. Let's see, we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 full-size items. That is amazing. I cannot wait. The theme of this month's box is Sugar, Spice, and Everything Tribe. So here's what we've got inside of the box. It is chock full. Let's start off with the first item I see right on top. This is the In-Stain. This is the Balm In Toile, $22 value. This is a blush. So here's what it looks like on the inside. You've got a little mirror. That's a little bit on the pinky side for me, but I'm open to trying it out. I think their packaging is just so adorable. Absolutely love it. All right. The next item in here is a Transformix Foundation Mixer. This is from Koki Professional. This is the Dewy. So it makes your foundation dewy. It says add 1 to 2 drops of mixer to foundation and blend well. Customize the intensity of the dewy finish by adding more drops of the mixer. Now I don't see there's any oil extracts in this, at least that I can see, so that's nice. It's just like some root extracts, so I don't think it'll clog any pores or any of that. It says this weightless makeup mixer instantly changes foundation to a radiant, dewy finish without compromising the quality, wear, or color of your foundation. That is really cool. You get a full ounce. It's just kind of like this liquidy texture. That's really interesting. I cannot wait to try this. I've never heard of anything like that. Oh. It smells natural, like cinnamon or something. I don't see there's any added fragrance. Oh, cool. All right, what else do we have in here? This is from Suva Beauty. This is the Moisture Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is in the shade Becharme. Says this is valued at $18. Oh, and I should have told you that the blurring, oh, so you could have gotten one of two things, the blurring primer or the dewy foundation mixer. Sorry, you guys, just to back up. This is I got the dewy one, and that's $7, which I'm glad about. And then this lipstick from Suva Beauty, this is valued at $18. So we just got a liquid lipstick. Nice packaging here, and it's another red tone. Again, another one that I'm a fan of. And I'm getting lipstick from the last swatch all over my sleeve. Ooh, it smells really good like buttercream. So there's what it looks like. Again, a really nice blue, true to color red. Oh, Beige. When you wear a skirt 3 inches above your knee in front of your parents, how can you be such a Beige, i.e. shameful? I don't get it. That's really weird. That's really weird. Awkward. Okay. I don't know what to say about that. All right, so we have the Sistar Contour Bold Liquid Liner. This retails for $7.99. It says that this says, make a bold statement with your dramatic eye look. Its thicker felt tip lets you easily create a cat eye wing. Well, a cat eye and a wing are a little bit different in my book, but let's just take a look. I don't know if it's matte or not. I'm really picky about liquid liner these days. I really want matte liner. That one looks like it's drying down matte. All right, next up, what do we have here from Wander Beauty? This is their Exquisite Liquid Eyeshadow. Now this retails for $26. It says it's a silky smooth and ultra blendable liquid shadow that delivers high intensity color in just one swipe. It can be used as an eyeliner, eyeshadow, highlighter, or layered for a beautiful range of day to night looks. So here's what the packaging looks like. We got another Wander Beauty item. This looks really pretty. I love this shade. This is in Dove Gray. This is gorgeous. This is like, I don't know if I'd wear this as a highlighter, but that's really pretty. If you guys can see it right here. Sorry, my swatches are shit. Moving on, we have 2 more items left, you guys. We have the Bella Pierre Cosmetics Glowing Palette. Me and Bella Pierre, we haven't really gotten along in the past, so I'm excited to see how this is. Now, the nice thing about this is that this says this is made with 100% natural minerals. So there's not going to be anything that's like irritating to the skin. It says there's a step-by-step instruction on the back of the palette, which I don't really know. Oh yeah, application. All right, well, it doesn't really show anything step by step, but whatever. Okay, so this retails for $50, $50. So you've got a mirror inside, and here is what the palette looks like. Now it looks like these are removable or refillable, and I think it's magnetic behind there, which I think is pretty cool. So we've just got like a ton of like highlighting shades. Look, there's some blushes, a bronzer in here. Let's just go ahead and swatch. I haven't, like I said, been a huge fan of Bella Pierre in the past, but maybe this will change my mind. These feel really dry and powdery, but I'm not going to judge it yet. Let's go ahead and do this. Okay. That's actually really pretty. One more color. All right. Those are actually pretty nice highlighter shades. I would put this on, but it looks like I already have highlighter, but why not? Let's just layer it up. I think I'm gonna take this shade right here. This is the shade Beam. Take this BH Cosmetics brush, pick up some of that, and I'll just layer it on top of the highlight I have on and see if it intensifies it. Okay, it totally did. That is stunning. I know I already had highlighter on, but this actually looks really pretty. And I like that it's like mineral based. All right, Bella Pierre, I can get down with this. I will be using this some more because this is honestly the first thing I've ever tried from them that I've actually enjoyed. All right, I almost forgot. So we have one more item from the Try Beauty box. We've got a freaking beauty blender in this month's box, a beauty blender. Obviously this is $20. This is their limited edition red carpet blender. It says the red carpet blender fits perfectly to the contours of the face to effortlessly blend and blur your base, blush, concealer, and contouring products. It instantly gives you a seamless, soft focused effect. Obviously, we're very aware of how a beauty blender works. It's actually funny that this came in the box because I've been wanting to buy a new beauty blender and now I don't have to because it's in the box. There's something about the texture of a beauty blender, you guys. It just can't be beat. My Wet n Wild sponges are like the closest thing I found that is like comparable to a beauty blender. They feel they're like almost the exact same thing, which is awesome. But I think it's super cool that we got a beauty blender in this month's box. So let's go ahead and see what the value of the Tribe Beauty box is for the month. All right, so we have a $151 value for like what? I think Tribe Beauty box is like 35, 34 bucks a month. I'll put a price down below, but this is probably the best box I've gotten from them. These are some amazing brands. This highlight palette is actually stunning. I love this. I can't wait to play with the liquid shadow from Wander Beauty, a balm blush, that's awesome. This eyeliner seems to be mattified and looks really good. The Suva Moisture Matte Liquid Lipstick, despite the awkward naming of that, whatever, it still looks like a beautiful lipstick. The Transformix Foundation Mixer is a really cool, innovative product. I haven't heard anybody talking about this, so we'll maybe have to do like a separate review on that. And then of course, including a beauty blender. This is fantastic. I think this is an awesome blend of products. So if you guys are ever interested in joining up with Try Beauty, I will put a link in the description box down below if you are interested, but this is a smash hit box. My Sephora Play box was amazing, and I'm really impressed that Influenster gave me the chance to try out some of those products. Let me know in the description box down below if you are interested in seeing a separate review on any of the items that I unboxed for you today. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it, share it, and of course be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell button before you go. I love you so much and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye guys!